Iimbaleki zisamkele isigqibo sokumiswa komdyarho walonyaka we-Comrades. Lomdyarho utsala amawakawaka embaleki ubuzakubanjwa ngomhla weshumi elinesine kuJune, kodwa uye wamiswa ngenxa yokuqhambuka kwentsholongwane yeCorona nebambe ihlabathi ngobhongwane.
Izikumbi zabagijimi zichitha-ke izinyanga zizilungiselela ukuba ingxenye yalomdyarho iComrades Marathon. Kodwa-ke ngenxa yokubhebhetheka kwegciwane iCovid-19 zithintekile-ke izinhlelo zabagijimi ngalesikhathi. Abanye-ke bayaqhubeka nokuzilolonga emakhaya.
Runners are becoming quite inventive in how they get at least some training in. It's nowhere near the training needed for a ultra distance, and I think right now if it were, we know it's not, but if it were to continue with Comrades on the 14th of June, it would be disastrous. So the postponement is a good idea. We're hoping, obviously, that it's a postponement and not a cancellation.
Abasubathi abaseqopheleni eliphezulu bathi bayazilolonga nangalesikhathi kepha akukho lula neze.
Uthi bayihlehlise kebona kube isinqumo esihle kakhulu ukuze nathi sazi ukuthi sibhekene nesimo sibhekene naso njengamanje sibone ukuthi ngabe mhlambe siyancipha yini noma siyakwazi ukumanage ngendlela ethile. So ke okuphinde kucishe kube ingozi nyana ke futhi ukuthi asazi ukuthi ihlehlele ukuthi izoba inini.
Kunembiko ke engaqinisekisiwe ethi lomdyarho ungase usingathwe ngo-October.
We can still run Comrades even November or December, it doesn't matter. Because I hear people they are complaining about if we run Comrades on November or December, it will be too hot. I don't think it's a problem for us as athletes. We need just to adapt, change where you are training and change a little bit of your program.
Kusenjalo abe-Comrades Marathon Association banikele ngo-100,000 amarandi esikhwameni sikahulumeni i-Solidarity Fund. Baphinde banikela-ke ngo-150,000 amarandi enhlanganweni engenzi inzuzo i-Gift of the Givers ukuyisiza ukuthi ilwisane nalolu bhubhane i-coronavirus. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC iseThekwini.